Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a challan directly from a sales order, an efficient way to manage order fulfillment with complete accuracy. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Invoice Create module on your dashboard. Step 2. From the menu, select BizDocs. Step 3. To create a new challan, choose Challan from the drop-down list. Step 4. Now, select your document type, either sales order or pro forma, from which you want to create the challan. Step 5. Enter your seller details, including phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Step 6. If the ship from address is the same as the seller's, tick the checkbox, same as seller details. Step 7. Click on Save and Next to move forward. Step 8. Next, select your buyer from the ledger list. Fill in the required buyer information such as phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Step 9. Once the buyer is selected, all related sales order documents will automatically appear. Step 10. If the ship to address is the same as the buyer's, tick Same as buyer details. Step 11. Click Save and Next to proceed. Step 12. In the Challan Details section, choose the sales order number. You can also select multiple sales orders if needed. Step 13. Use the checkboxes to select the products you want to include in this challan. Step 14. After product selection, your reference number will be auto-filled. Now, fill in the remaining mandatory details like reference date, reason for transportation, dispatch mode, freight terms, vehicle number, distance, and challan type. Once done, click Save and Next. Step 15. From the pre-filled product list, enter the quantity for each selected item and click OK to add them to your challan. Step 16. Click on Save Challan to finalize it. Then click Print to generate your challan PDF. Step 17. To review your challan's progress, click on the History button and select Sales Order from the drop-down. Step 18. Here, you'll see the status of your sales order, how much has been fulfilled, and how much is still pending. Click on the down arrow to view the remaining quantity of each item. And that's it. Your challan is now successfully created from a sales order, accurate, efficient, and always in sync with your records. Creating a challan from a sales order has never been easier. With auto-linked documents, smart quantity tracking, and seamless integration, Intelligere helps you stay ahead, always. Start streamlining your deliveries today, only with Invoice Create. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.